Legion Slim 5 16AHP9. Experience top-tier gaming performance with the Lenovo Legion Slim 5 16AHP9. Designed for gamers who demand power and precision, this laptop combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design. The Lenovo Legion Slim 5 is powered by the AMD AI integrated Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, ensuring smooth and efficient multitasking. AMD Ryzen AI integrated in AMD Ryzen 8000 series processor, up to 16 TOPS. Storage 1TB SSD NVMe. Memory 16GB DDR5 RAM. Graphics 8GB Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060 GDDR6, boost clock 2370 MHz, TGP 140W, 233i TOPS graphics. Legion Slim 5, 16, WQXGA, 2560x1600, IPS 350 nits anti-glare, 100% sRGB, 165Hz, Dolby Vision, G-Sync, FreeSync Premium, low blue light display. Strike with precision. Embrace unrivaled precision with the Legion True Strike keyboard. 1.5mm key travel ensures responsive typing, and you can dial in your controls to suit your playstyle. Illuminate your game with dynamic Legion Spectrum 4-zone RGB lighting. Buttonless Mylar Surface multi-touch touchpad. Camera FHD 1080p with e-shutter. Stereo speakers, 2WX2, optimized with dynamic audio. Power your gaming lifestyle with the Legion Slim 5's massive 80 Wh battery. Super rapid charge gets you 30% in 10 minutes and 70% in 30 minutes, perfect for busy students and gamers. Optional Swift 140W Type-C * charging means you'll be ready for classes or LAN parties without battery worries.